how is parenthood? How's it been so far? How are you coping?
I think Meera has a heads up, so she should answer it
All
first.
right, you go first.
I'm thoroughly enjoying this new phase of my life, and I think parenthood is extremely fulfilling, and I think all of us on this platform can agree with that. And I'm extremely excited to be sharing this space with all of you here, and I look forward to it.
Parenthood. Lovely. What are your thoughts on nutrition, and what are the kind of challenges you faced nutrition-wise as a new mother?
I think for me, the biggest challenge was feeding Misha right from when I gave birth to her. Because like Pooja said in her book, for the first few months of a baby's life, you are the menu. You have to be so careful when you're feeding your child.
How yummy is she? Anyway.
You have to be so careful when you're feeding your child. Everything that goes into your mouth goes into your baby's stomach. And it's extremely, it's something that's, you have so much responsibility on your plate, literally. There were so many things that I wanted to have, but I couldn't, because I didn't want Misha to be crying with stomach pain. And at the same time, I wanted to have enough nutrition so that I can give that on to her without depleting myself. Because everything that you feed your child eventually goes from you. So I had to nourish myself so I could nourish her. And that was the biggest challenge for me. And I actually came to Pooja once I was almost weaning Misha off, and most of our discussions halfway through went to, okay, what should I feed her? What can I give her? Because, I mean, we started our diet, and, you know, that...
Figured yourself out.
That was simple, because then I didn't have to think so much, and I didn't have this big responsibility. And she would say, you know, you can start it like this, baby-led weaning, this, that. You know, the advice is unending. But the best part was that her advice was so simple and easy to put to use that it wasn't that stressful.
But you know, nowadays schools are teaching children nutrition. In fact, every time I bring out a pizza, my son says to me, "Mom, I'm not eating it, it's junk food."
Ow.
And I'm like, sometimes eat it, it's okay. But that doesn't happen. So what are your thoughts on now it being a part of the syllabus, the education syllabus?
I think it's great that we're teaching our kids how to eat right. But at the same time, I think we should teach them how to eat in a balanced way. So just like we have the 5 fingers, we also have the 5 evils or the 5 demons. And it's okay to let them come in once in a while, as long as you exercise.
She'll get all 4 right, I know it.
What's the bribe, Karan, for me to get the 2 wrong?
I already gave you the hamper, Meera. What more can I offer you?
All right. Number 1. Open your mouth.
Tastes really good, but...
It's not easy.
Can I give you another bite?
No, you can't give a hint.
Yeah, I can have another bite.
Another bite.
Even I don't know what it is.
Come
Give
on.
me this bite.
It's yum. I just can't figure out what it is.
That's not the correct
I don't know what
answer,
it is.
though.
Can you put
It's
that in my
delicious,
mouth?
Pooja. Give me 1
I
point.
don't know what it is.
Okay, you don't know what it is.
It's, is it like, it's a fruit.
Oh, I think, is it, can I say?
No,
let her
it's
guess.
my turn.
She gets it wrong, you get a go.
It's like papaya,
Should I make you smell
No,
it?
wrong.
Smell.
melon.
No.
What is
Okay.
it?
Try.
Is it like apricot?
No.
Everybody got it wrong. It's kiwi. It's kiwi mango mash.
Okay, listen. Kiwi and mango, who's gonna guess?
Okay.
Mango, you can guess.
Yeah, but it's with kiwi.
Oh, it's kiwi and mango?
Yeah.
Nah, hello. Yeah.
Next one. You got it really difficult. You've made it quite hard for these people. Yes.
Listen, Pooja, I think you're giving me the harder ones.
Very good. Suffer now.
Okay, Raj, how about this? It's got 2 ingredients. You get
Like
one of them right.
veggies?
Yes.
Does it have veggies?
Yes.
And some kind of carb, like oats?
No.
Wrong. Press that red thing. Press, you got it wrong.
I know. Try and guess
Veggies and
what vegetable?
carrot.
Okay, come on.
And
We have to give it to her.
yeah, carrot.
It's carrot and beetroot.
Carrot
is
and
a difficult
beetroot.
taste to actually
Yeah.
decipher when you're blindfolded or otherwise. Okay, third one. Easy peasy.
Apple.
Apple.
Cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon. Bang on. Okay, now you're currently at a tie. You've got to get this last one right.
This is the tiebreaker.
This is the
Better
tiebreaker
get it
of
wrong.
round 1.
Oh.
Round 1.
Yuck.
See, there's one terrible thing always there is.
It's a porridge.
Yes.
It's got like some nice ghee in it, and it's ragi.
Oh my God, that's a good one. Well
See, I don't know
done.
what this ragi tastes like. Huh? No, I don't want. Thank you. Not at all.
We've got a little bit of Master Chef going on
Master
here.
Chef.
Junior
Yes.
/ senior.
Come, sweetie, we have to go there.
You're
we have to
both
go
going to
there?
have to reconstruct a dish featured in Eat Delete Junior by just looking at the picture. The ingredients are in front of you. You're going to be given 5 minutes. Please listen to the rules, lady and gentlemen.
Yes.
You're going to be given 5 minutes
Huh.
to reconstruct a dish from the book. You're going to have to take a look
What?
at the
To do
just
what?
based on the picture.
Oh, where's the picture? Here. Mince? Oh, God. Okay. Are we meant to start? Yes. Okay.
You're both making separate dishes, is it? Yes. Okay. Whoever gets it closer to the picture is the one who wins the round. Is somebody timing this? Yes. Okay. You have exactly... Okay, I've been told you have 3 minutes to do this. Just 3. 3. Chop, chop. Pooja, while they're doing what they're doing, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the book. How long did it take to... How long did it take from start to... Let them do it. How long did the book take from start to finish, from when you decided on it to today?
A good 3 years. Oh, my daughter's prompting me. Yes, because it wasn't easy. I was developing the book as they were developing, and there was a lot of data that I first wanted so that it's genuine and it's researched and it's not just hearsay. Because there's, like he said, like Karan said, there's so much advice. Everyone's giving you advice, and we need to filter the good and the bad, and we don't need to get paranoid and helicopter mom. So we have to know where to draw the line and when to stop. So there are many things that you have to try, but there are many battles that sometimes it's okay if you lose. Just keeping the bigger picture in mind, because there's not every battle that you're going to win. I can't eat this, I can't do that. There's not everything that you can force your child to. So there's a way that we're going to be doing a little bit of, and a little bit of leniency as well.
Which are your favorite recipes, the ones which are tried, tested, and approved of by your daughters?
So there is an egg wrap. Egg is my favorite, and that's why Karan's making 2 beautiful dolls with boiled eggs. And, well done, Karan. We have lots of, the eyelashes are really long. So there's an egg rack recipe, which is very easy to put in the kids' tiffin box. It tastes good cold. So there are many such recipes which are all 5 fingers of nutrition taken care of, so that you can still pack nutrition into your kids' tiffin.
I'm done as well as I can do. I'm done. My eyes are a bit scattered. Listen, she's got the infinitely tougher job.
Okay, now,
I think
how do
I
we
would
do this? We need a camera that'll zoom in on both of these. So we can see them on the
What round?
screen, and all of you can
Yeah,
decide
that's a boot.
who's done better. Do we have a camera that can come
There's
forward?
यहाँ तो नहीं था. अच्छा डाल दो. हाँ, very good. हो गया. Crown ऐसे होते हैं ना.
3 minutes are up. Thank you. I get reminded 3 minutes are up. Now, how
Listen,
do
I
we?
think she needs to win. It was amazing what she has done.
That is absolutely amazing.
Sorry.
Karan, that's pretty good.
Yes, thank you.
We have just very, very long eyelashes.
We have
That's
long
lovely.
eyelashes.
So, I don't know. Should we call it?
Yes, the winner is...
I think the winner is. I would
Okay,
give it
the
to
winner
Meera.
is Meera.
Meera.
You can come and take a look at their
I love
handiwork in a
tarboos.
little
Can I
bit.
eat one piece of this?
So when it comes to the best of three, Karan, I'm afraid
I've
you've
lost
lost
already.
both rounds. No, well, you know, we're going to move on. We're going to move on
Hi, how
to
are
the unveiling right now. Both of you did a wonderful job. Both of you have been very sporting. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Big round. Yes, and since Meera has won both rounds, we're not doing round 3. Can we have Meera's grand prize very quickly? Yes? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time now